In the heart of nature, honeybee is a small but mighty creature that plays a huge role in our lives. You might think of them as just another insect, but without them, our world would look very different. Have you ever wondered how they make honey? Imagine a warm, sunny day. Flowers are blooming everywhere, and a honeybee is on a mission. Her job is to land on a flower to gather nectar. Along with it, honeybee has to also collect pollen. Nectar is the sweet liquid inside flowers, which she'll turn into honey. She flies from flower to flower, using her long tongue to suck up the nectar and store it in a special part of her body called the honey stomach. This isn't the same stomach she uses to eat. It's more like a little backpack for carrying nectar. But the bee does more than just collect nectar. As she moves from flower to flower, she also picks up pollen, the substance that helps plants make seeds and fruit. When the bee brushes against another flower, some of that pollen rubs off, helping the plant grow new life. Is super important for our food supply. Without bees doing this job, we wouldn't have many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we love to eat. Once the bee's honey stomach is full, she heads back to the hive, where thousands of other bees are busy and working. There she passes the nectar to another bee by mouth. This bee then mixes the nectar with special enzymes that start turning it into honey. But there's still too much water in the nectar. So the bees fan it with their wings to dry it out. Over time, the nectar thickens and becomes the sweet honey we know and love to have. When the honey is just right, the bees store it in hexagon-shaped wax cells, which they've built themselves. They seal the cells with wax, keeping the honey safe and ready for when they need it, especially in the winter, when flowers are hard to find. That's why they store honey. Honeybees are amazing because they don't just make honey. They also keep our plants healthy by pollinating them, which is crucial for growing the food we eat. People are stepping up to help honeybees by planting flowers that bees love, avoiding harmful chemicals in their gardens, and even starting their own beehives. These efforts are helping to protect honeybees and keep our environment healthy. Always remember, they are not just making honey, they are helping us to keep our planet buzzing too. What do you think about the incredible work honeybee does? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about this amazing creature, don't forget to like and subscribe to Wild Waves for more awesome wildlife stories. Until next time, keep exploring.